Basic English conversation for kids.
Hello, I'm your friend, Bobo. I'll help you practice English conversation. Please follow my directions. Thank you! I have a dog. Words. After you listen to each word, say the word. Boy. Girl. Big. Small. Conversation. I have a dog.
Is it a boy or a girl?
It's a boy.
What's his name?
His name is Milo.
What color is he?
He's white and gray.
Is he big?
No, he is small. Practice. Listen to each sentence and repeat. Your conversation will get better. I have a dog.
Is it a boy or a girl?
It's a boy.
What's his name?
His name is Milo.
What color is he?
He's white and gray.
Is he big?
No, he is small. Word quiz. Girl. Boy. Small. Big. Conversation quiz. What did Lily say?
Is he big? Is it a boy or a girl?
What did Max say?
What's his name?
His name is Milo. No, he is small. What did Lily say?
What's his name? What color is he?
He's white and gray. You did it. You were superstar. Yay! Goodbye.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more fun learning adventures. See you next time.